Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel और today's topic is the protein. तो you are very well aware about the protein के क्या हमें कहाँ से मिलता है. तो protein की importance क्या है? It helps in the growth and the repair of the muscles and the body tissues. कि आपकी body की growth में उसकी repair में मदद करता है. So proteins are made up of simple components that is known as the amino acids. Amino acid is known as a building block of protein. So we have 20 different types of amino acids. ये 20 different types of amino acids या amino acids जो है combine होकर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन बनाते हैं. सिंपल एग्जाम्पल हमारे मसल्स हो गए, किडनी हो गया, लिवर हो गया, ऑल दीज आर मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन. हेयर्स एंड नेल्स आर ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन बट दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर इन द टेक्सचर. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज डिफरेंट 20 अमाइनो एसिड कॉम्बिनेशन. सो एज फॉर एज the organic and inorganic is concerned, the protein जो है they are organic compound because they contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as a backbone, while they also contain the nitrogen. Sometimes they also contain the sulfur. So they are the backbone of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are the backbone of the protein molecule. So protein molecules are large, so they cannot get directly into our blood. कि यह directly blood में जा नहीं सकती, इसलिए हमारी body क्या करती है कि they convert the proteins into the amino acids. When they are converted into amino acid, our digestive system convert these use these amino acids. लेकिन जब हमारे पास amino acids ज़्यादा होते हैं, like वो use नहीं होते, at that time these amino acids are converted again into the protein. So protein is the very essential component of the cell, the cytoplasm, the cell membrane, the organelles, while it is also the major part of the muscles, the ligaments and the tendons. ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोटीन से बनी हुई होती हैं. Then protein, many proteins acts as an enzyme. Okay, just keep in mind protein, many protein acts as enzyme. Not all the proteins are enzyme in nature. ठीक है, enzyme protein in nature है, but सारे proteins enzyme in nature नहीं होते. ठीक है. So protein can be used as a source of energy, or 1 gram of protein will give us about the 4 kilocalories of energy. कि 4 kilocalories of energy जो है ना 1 gram of protein से मिल के बनती है, से हमें मिलती है. Then अगर sources की बात करें, there are two sources of the protein, plant sources and the animal sources. The plant sources of the proteins are the beans, the pulses, the cereals, the dry fruits. इन सब में proteins होता है. As far as the animal sources are concerned, so cheese, milk, poultry, fish. Poultry means chickens, fish, mutton, beef, eggs, etc. All these contain the proteins. So proteins क्या करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं ग्रोथ में और रिपेयर में. थैंक यू गाइस, होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक. अल्लाह हाफिज़.